القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Allah describes the heart as becoming hard. Becoming hard. Why? Because Allah says that the people became like the people of the book. What does that mean? They read the book. They recite the book. But they have no clue what's in it. They have no clue what's in it. They don't care. They don't come to it to soften their heart. They don't come to it to talk to Allah. The Muslim will become like this. The Muslim will come to the Imam and say, Imam Sahib, I have a fever. Which surah should I recite? Imam Sahib, I have, my daughter's getting married. Which surah should we play the recitation of after the DJ is done? Which surah should we recite? Then they'll come, they'll say, hey listen, what dua should I make from the Qur'an if I'm looking for a job? This is all Qur'an is for you? This is all it is for you. You're looking for barakah in this thing or that thing or the other thing because Qur'an came to give barakah to your parties, to your ceremonies. That's why Qur'an came, so it can bless your ceremonies. The Qur'an did not come to change you. The Qur'an did not come to give you advice, to change you, to make you a different person, to earn your money differently. It didn't come for that. It just came so you hire some guy at your wedding and he comes and recites Qur'an and women put napkins on their heads. That's why Qur'an came? That's what Qur'an is to you? Or Qur'an came so you can have decorated large ayat in your home? Big giant Surah Al-Asr inside your house next to the big screen TV? That's why it came? Qur'an came so you can hang in the rear view mirror? Ayatul Kursi, because you don't have dual side airbags? That's why it came? What have we done with this Qur'an?